Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to get a free trial on Brevo. To get a free trial on Brevo, you need to open up its site and go into its pricing. Then, from its pricing, click on the sign up button from the free trial. After that, it will ask you to enter your first, last, and company name, and also enter your website and click on Next. Now, give some information about your company, like address, zip code, city, and country. After entering the information, click on Next. Then you have to provide your business information, such as how many people are in your team, how many contacts do you have, what do you sell online. After that, tick the check boxes and click on Next. Now you need to enter your phone number and click to send the verification code on that number. Once you receive the verification code, enter the code and click to verify. Then, you will get access to your Brevo dashboard. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.